Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to make a Halloween t-shirt design in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the t-shirt. After make a selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now import the design. So go to File, Place Embedded, select Design and Place. And transform it to the t-shirt size. Now create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to screen. Go to blending options. Move the white underlying slider to the left side and break it by holding Alt and drag with click. And move the black underlying slider to the right side and break it by holding Alt and drag with click. And hit OK. And your Halloween t-shirt design is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.